Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Zone. Today we are going to learn how to push code from Git Bash to GitHub. Before going to start our session, I would like to give brief explanation about GitHub and Git Bash. Here, Git is distributed version control system for tracking changes and it designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Git written in C language and comes to GitHub, it is a place to host services. In GitHub, we have repositories, we have forking a repo option, pull requests, social networking, change logs, and branches. GitHub brings together the world's largest community of developers to discover, share, and build better software. It also provides access control and several collaboration features to the developers. GitHub written in Ruby and comes to Git Bash. It is an application for Microsoft Windows environment which provides an emulation layer for a Git command line experience. So now comes to our session. So as we are discussing about the session name, how to push files from Git Bash to GitHub. So here for this we need to install Git in our machine first. As I already installed Git in my machine, I am going to open Git Bash here. So I just wanted to show the location. Here I am just creating my local repository in G drive. Git Bash session is my directory name, and as I already installed Git Bash here, I'm opening Git Bash here. So this is the window of Git Bash. I just wanted to show Git version in my machine. Using Git version or else Git hyphen hyphen version, these two commands we can use any one of these. So in my machine I installed Git version 2.24.0. So these two commands to check the Git version. Here we need to create a repository on GitHub. So we will go step by step here. First we need to open Git Bash and second create a repo in GitHub. So I will show how to create a repo in GitHub. Here we need an account in GitHub to create a repo. I already registered and I have created an account in this. I'm going to log in my GitHub account. So here this is the window after login. Here we have new button here and by clicking this one we will get this window. We have to give the repository name here. I'm just giving git bash repo and we need to provide the description as this is push files from git bash. So I'm just giving the same description here. So here we need to observe two options, public and private. If you want to create your report to others can see or else you can see. If you want to hide others your repo, you have to select private. As I just wanted to create public, anyone can see my repo. So I'm giving public and I'm creating repository here. So it is creating a repo for me. This is the repo. So for this we need this URL as it is remote repository. So we need to add this repository in our local repo. So I just wanted to copy this one. Now come to our git bash. So here we need to initialize git in your local machine, local directory you can say, using git init command. So I'm just going to execute this command. See, when you see this message, initialized empty Git repository in the specified location. So now we have to create a file here using VI editor. I am going to create test file and I am going to insert just one line. This is sample file or test file, we can say test file to push, and so I'm just going to save this file. If you see the content of the file using cat command, this is test file to push. Okay, using git status command you can come to know where is your file. As it is showing in red color test, that means the file is in working directory. So we need to add this file to staging area. For this, git add followed by file name is the command. So here from working directory to staging area we have moved. We'll check the status now. Git status is the command again. So the file, new file, it's green color, it is showing in stag, it is in staging area. So we will write down the same here, add files to staging area using git add followed by file name. If we have multiple files here, using git add dot followed by dot command, we can add all files at a time. So after this one, we need to move our staging files to local repository using git commit. Okay, move files from staging area, also called as index. We can call it as index also. So here, this is the command git add. Git commit -m followed by message. This is the command we need to execute now. So git commit -m, as it is initial commit, I am just going to give the same message, initial commit. So now the test file from staging area to local repo, it is moving. See, one file moved to local repo. We'll check the status of the file again. So it's not showing here, that means it's already moved to local repo. So now we have to add a remote repo with our local repo. So here we will write the URL yard, or else we can tell like add remote repo with local repo. So for this we need to execute the command git remote add origin and followed by URL, remote repository URL we have to provide. So here remote git remote add origin and remote repository URL we already copied. So I'm going to execute this command now. So it's already mapped with local repo. If you want to see the linked remote repository, git remote -v is the command. See, we can see now origin, it's already mapped with local repo. So now I just wanted to push my files to remote repository from local repo to global repo or remote repo, we can say, using git push -f origin master. So this is the command. So I'm just going to execute this command again. -f origin master. So as we are working on master. So now from local repo to global repo, it is moving. Here we need to provide our GitHub login credentials. So I'm going to give my global repository credentials as GitHub credentials. See, here now the file, only one file we created. So how many files you can create? Multiple, you can create multiple files, and you can add first from local working area to staging area. From staging area to you can commit to local repository. From there you have to push your files to global repo. Okay, now it is up to date as it is showing. We will check in global repository which we already logged in. Okay, this is the git bash repo. See, initial commit is the message when we gave while committing, and test is the file. We will see the file here. So this is the test file to push. We gave the same message, same sentence in that file, and this is the first commit. We got this in a global repository. So this is the way to push our code from local repository to global repository using git bash. So these few steps we can follow, and I'm going to give these steps in description box as well. You just follow these steps. You have to install git in your local machine, as well as you have to create an account in github repository. So these two you need to do initially, then you can create your project in local repository, and you can push all your local code or local files to global repository. These few steps you have to follow. This is the way to push files from git bash to github. I hope everything uh, you will get it easily. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubts, or else if you have any queries, you just text me in comment box. I will look into it, and I will give reply as well. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. We'll see you in next video.